All right, today I'm going to teach you how to use the word why. All right, here on the board right here. Why in Thai is ทำไม ทำไม Okay, so let's go. First sentence. This one you can use it when you get ghosted. You know, you're supposed to go out with someone, either your friend or someone you just met, and they never show up. You want to know why. Why didn't you show up? ทำไมคุณไม่มาทำไมคุณไม่มา Right? You fly all the way to Thailand, sitting there waiting to have a meeting, and no one show up. Or you met someone, you're like, oh yeah, let's exchange phone number. And then you set up a date, and they didn't show up. ทำไมคุณไม่มา Next. Why are you late? ทำไมมาสายทำไมมาสาย means why are you late? You know, I've been here for like 10 hours waiting for you. ทำไมมาสาย Alright? It could be many reasons. It could be a rain. It can be a thunderstorm. And maybe that person got struck by lightning. I don't know. ทำไมมาสาย Next one is why do you think that way? Just say if you're exchanging stories and something happened in the life. Also, so you're curious. ทำไมคิดแบบนั้นทำไมคิดแบบนั้น means why do you think that way? So I'm just curious. Why do you think that way? ทำไมคิดแบบนั้น It can be many reasons as well. Just say they accuse you with something. ทำไมคิดแบบนั้น And let's hear their side of the story. Okay, next. Why you stress? ทำไมเครียดเครียด means stress. Or just imagine something happened. ทำไมคุณเครียด You can say that too. ทำไมคุณเครียด means why so stress? You know, you care. ทำไมคุณเครียด Now, next one. Why you angry? Why you so angry? Come on, man. Why you angry? ทำไมคุณโกรธโกรธ means angry, furious, mad, going crazy. ทำไมคุณโกรธ Okay? Maybe they get pissed off, you know, they're angry with you because you're seeing someone else. Okay? You can ask them, ทำไมคุณโกรธ Next one is, why don't you pick up your phone? I try to call you. Man, you must be doing something wrong, dude. All right. ทำไมคุณ All right. Why do you pick up your phone? All right. Oh. ทำไม Man, you're in a doghouse, bro. Okay. ทำไมคุณไม่รับสาย Why don't you pick up your phone? ทำไมคุณไม่รับสาย Alright, regular speed. ทำไมคุณไม่รับสายทำไมคุณไม่รับสาย Why don't you pick up your phone? ทำไม is why. คุณ is you. ไม่ means they don't do something. รับสาย mean picking up the phone, answering your phone call. Okay? ทำไมคุณไม่รับสาย Why don't you pick up your phone? All right. God, dude. Next one. You must be a horrible person. Why do you wait for me? Why do you wait for me? Oh God, dude. ทำไมคุณไม่รอ they just took off ทำไมคุณไม่รอ means why don't you wait for me you just took off and left me there ทำไม why คุณ means you ไม่รอ means not waiting okay ทำไมคุณไม่รอ alright now I have to walk home like 50 miles in the rain alone in the dark alright man okay next one why don't you believe me ทำไม you are really a deep why don't you believe me God this is gonna be a hard lesson bro this take forever ทำไมคุณไม่เชื่อผมif you're male use ผม but all other gender or all gender is ฉัน alright if you identify yourself as a male you use ผม if you want to or ฉัน don't matter okay but for this example I'm just gonna use ฉัน for everyone no matter who you are ทำไมคุณไม่เชื่อฉัน alright why don't you believe me I'm telling you the truth alright ทำไมคุณไม่เชื่อฉันทำไม means why คุณ means you ไม่เชื่อ is not believing okay ฉัน or ผม is you as a speaker okay ทำไมคุณไม่เชื่อผม or ทำไมคุณไม่เชื่อฉัน alright why don't you understand ทำไมคุณไม่เข้าใจทำไมคุณไม่เข้าใจ regular speed ทำไมคุณไม่เข้าใจ just say you try to explain something and they just don't get it okay either that or they just refuse to understand or refuse to believe you so you can say ทำไมคุณไม่เข้าใจ I don't really know how they're gonna answer you with that but at least you can say it ทำไมคุณไม่เข้าใจ you can say that to cops alright just say like if you're getting arrested I didn't pee on that wall why are you arresting me whatever your excuse ทำไมคุณไม่เข้าใจ means I don't understand why you don't believe me next one is why do I have to pay you know some people like you know want to extort money from you or want you to pay for something that you don't want to pay or you don't want to buy or you're just dissatisfied with something or the service you can say why do I have to pay ทำไมต้องจ่ายทำไมต้องจ่ายทำไม means why ต้อง mean must จ่าย means pay why do you have to pay just say if you getting scammed you know someone shoves something in your hand and they demand money you're like I don't want it ทำไมต้องจ่าย alright okay next one is why is it so expensive why is it so expensive ทำไมแพงจังทำไมแพงจัง means why is it so expensive start negotiating ทำไมแพงจัง next one is why do you do that ทำไมทำแบบนั้น means why do you do that you shouldn't be doing that why do you do that maybe you're questioning their sanity ทำไมทำแบบนั้น either that or just say if they cheated on you they're seeing some other guy or they're seeing some other woman ทำไมทำแบบนั้น you can say that I don't know if you're ready for the answer but okay I'm just provide and you decide oh man that was a hard one but believe it or not there's tons of phrases and tons of sentences that you can use right away pick and choose write them down practice it and if you like it please like and subscribe my name is Bodo and I will see you next time peace